2026. Another year, another avalanche of disposable technology designed, it seems, to expire before the warranty does. Planned obsolescence is no longer a rumor, it is a business model, but occasionally, just occasionally, a piece of engineering breaks through that cycle. A tool that, once integrated, shifts from mere convenience to a strategic asset. The roborock H60 Hub Pro cordless stick vacuum cleaner with auto-empty dock is one such defiant piece of hardware. It is not just a cleaning device, it is a calculated investment in reclaiming your most valuable, non-renewable resource, time. Consider the time value proposition. The hands-free dust disposal for up to 100 days via its 3-liter sealed dust bag is not merely a feature. It is a full 100 minutes of reclaimed mental bandwidth every quarter, freeing you from the mundane, the irritating, the low-value task of frequent dustbin emptying. This translates directly into uninterrupted focus on higher leverage activities. Next, its reliable 170 air watts of suction, paired with an anti-tangle brush, eliminates the frustrating inefficiencies of lesser machines. No more reruns, no more manual brush untangling. You are buying back at least 7 minutes from every cleaning session, minutes that compound into hours over the fiscal year. This is quantifiable gain. Finally, an 80-minute runtime with a detachable, swappable battery fundamentally alters workflow. It removes the anxiety of a mid-task power fade, ensuring complete, uninterrupted domain management. You are not just cleaning, you are executing a task with professional precision every single time. That is another 15 minutes of operational certainty per cycle. Physically, this unit embodies resilience. It weighs in at a substantial 8.5 pounds, an industrial heft that speaks to its robust internal architecture and precision-engineered motor housing. The main body measures a comfortable 47 inches in height, with a zero-flex chassis constructed from high-grade, impact-resistant polymers and cold aluminum alloys, ensuring longevity far beyond the current market average. The auto-empty dock, a solid piece of engineering itself, commands a stable footprint of roughly 11 by 14 inches, asserting its permanence. This is not flimsy plastic. It is built to withstand the rigors of a professional environment. Now, some might perceive its solid 8.5-pound chassis as substantial. But for a professional, that is the reassuring density of over-engineered components, of heat sinks designed for sustained performance, not just peak bursts. It is a pro-only trade-off, a slight increase in weight for an exponential gain in durability and operational lifespan. The 5-stage filtration and 9-cone cyclone system, for example, are not merely effective, they are architected for minimum maintenance, preserving motor health and peak suction over years, not months. This translates to an incredibly low total cost of ownership, a factor often overlooked in the initial acquisition calculation. Global stock levels for high-performance equipment in 2026 are increasingly erratic, influenced by complex supply chain dynamics and unpredictable market demand. The window for acquiring such a strategically advantageous tool at an optimal price can close without warning. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.